Hello, students. Good morning, everyone. Today, in the syllabus of BA Part First, English Literature, Paper Second, Prose and Fiction, the topic presentation of skills. What are presentation skills and what are their roles? How can we define them? And while preparing PPT or presentation, we have some skills so that we may go ahead. First of all, presentation skills, their introductions are described as presentation skills are the skills you need to in delivering effective and engaging presentation to a variety of audiences. They are such skills which are needed in delivering effective and engaging presentations. These skills cover a variety of areas, such as the structure of your presentation, the design of your slides, the tone of your voice, and the body language you convey. Introduction. Well developed presentation skills enable you to communicate clearly, precisely, and effectively in a variety of modes or registers and settings. It should be pointed out that they are rated as one of the most important soft skills. They are also known as soft skills. The ability of communicating with the audience and giving presentations should be seen as a mandatory prerequisite for both the effective learning process and the successful working life. So they should be audible, audible to the audience for effective learning process. Thus, it's imperative to gradually increase and enhance your presentation skills through a continuous training that will help you to become more competent, confident, and competitive. So it makes us confident, competent, and effective. Presentation skills are to communicate effectively in the workplace. You need to be able to present your information clearly. So, if we want to present our information clearly, we have to communicate effectively in the workplace. Presentation skills doesn't just mean knowing how to put a good set of PowerPoint slides together. It means engaging and connecting with an audience to get your message across. It's a way to communicate clearly so that audience can be engaged and connected. Presentation skills are a set of abilities that enables an individual to interact with the audience and transfer the message clearly, engage the audience while presenting and interpret and understand the mindsets of the listeners. These skills will polish the enhance one's persuasive skills. So presentation skills are set of abilities that enables a person to interact with the audience and transfer the message clearly, engage the audience while presenting and interpret and understand the mindsets of the listeners. Presenting skills are important to both individual success and business success as it plays an important role in convincing people. So, absolutely, it is a way to convince the people because they are important for both individual and business success. Management with good presentation skills in an organization will be able to communicate the mission and vision of the organization well to the employees of the organization. Management with good presentation skills in an organization enable to communicate the mission and vision of the organization well to the employees of the organization. Yes, it's correct. Presentation skills are used to interact the with clients and colleagues in the major role in business today, and presentation skills help the personal and the professional development of an individual. So it not only helps in personal life but also in business life or workplace. The purpose of this chapter, which is based on the best Western practice, is to help to develop your presentation skills. It first introduces the basic premises of giving a presentation by examining in details its preparation, structure, timing, form of delivery, and language, equipment and facilities, visual aids, and material for distribution. So, presentation skills introduces the basic premises of giving presentation by examining in details. For example, its preparation, structure, timing, form of delivery, and language, equipment and facilities, visual aids and material for distribution. The subsequent sections cover more specific topics including verbal, voice, intonation, appropriate language, and non-verbal communication, eye contact, body language, hand gestures, communication, interacting with audience and answering questions, handling your nerves during the presentation. The chapter concludes by focusing on rehearsal activities and different forms of feedback which will enhance your presentation skills. So we have to focus on the presentation skills. These three types of presentation might be adopted. Information giving. This is predominantly descriptive, giving or summarizing information. You may be asked to do this as a part of a mini teaching session, sharing theoretical or factual information. So, information giving is very important in presenting skills because if we want to convey our message clearly, presentation skills is the way to communicate the audience, make them engaged and connected very well. Here, the point is to see what you have understood and how you have extracted the main facts from your reading and to relay these to the groups. You will need to make decisions about the information to include discursive. Here, you will be need to debate the strength and the limitation of an approach or develop an argument, exploring and weighing of different perspectives, challenging your audience to accept a different viewpoint. For this, you will need to decide your angle. Are you for or against it? Weight pro and cons. Put your audience in challenge and confidently debate. Demonstrative. This type of presentation tends to be used in the context of training, for example, when demonstrating your ability to illustrate your, your understanding of a technique or teaching a practical skill to others. So, information giving, discursive, and demonstrative. These things are very important for presentation skills. Objectives, purposes, aims. To develop your skills, communicate clearly, effectively, and confidently with a range of audiences in a range of different contexts. So, whatever we want to convey, the message that should be communicated clearly, effectively, and confidently. To improve your research and design skills and strengthen your delivery technique. To enhance your use of different support electronic and other visual tools. To reinforce your performance skills, verbal and non-verbal. To increase your confidence level in interacting with audience and control your nervousness. To promote critical and reflective thinking by dealing with feedback on your presentation skills. So the objectives behind the presentation skills is to improve, to enhance, to reinforce or confidence, performance skills, design skills, delivery techniques, visual tools, etc. To increase your confidence level in interacting with the audience and control your nervousness. To promote critical and reflective thinking by dealing with feedback on your presentation skills. And now we have importance of presentation skills. Presentation skills are important everywhere in your lifetime, right from putting things up in front of your family to presenting your idea at the workplace. So it has its importance because it is important everywhere from home to workplace. It's a package. One must establish the fact that presentation skills are essential. Excellent presentation skills help in enhancing the growth opportunities of an individual in an organization and helps to develop the personality of the presenter and elevates the levels of confidence. In case of closing deals and gaining clients, it is essential for the business professionals understand the client's requirements and the audience. Good presentation skills enable an individual to mold the message according to the traits of the audience. This increases the probability of successful transmission of message. So, presentation skills are very important to deal with the clients in business and increase the probability of successful transmission. Professional give presentations almost every day. Having good presentation skills not only increase an individual's chance of success but also enable to add greatly to the organization. Soft skills are slowly gaining importance in the competitive workplace environment. Even can't present what they want to convey, either verbally or in written correctly, one may lose an opportunity of a lifetime. So, PPT or presentation skills are very important in the achievement of the goal. Whatever position or profile one is in, it is very important to develop presentation skills. A recent research states that close to 40% of people fear public speaking. They stammer and are unable to convey what they want to convey. This may have a negative impact on their work and they may not be able to grab the attention of the crowd. Effective presentation skills are important at work. Everybody has presentation skills. Some are better than others. A small percentage is much better than the masses. The primary goal is for your presentation skills to be better than your competition, whoever and whatever that is. The secondary goal is for your presentation to get better every time you speak. One should always keep in mind that just presenting is not going to help. One should present effectively and make an impact. So, effective presentation is very important. An effective presentation makes the best use of the relationship between the presenter and the audience. It takes full consideration of the audience needs to capture their interest, develop their understanding, inspire their confidence, and achieve the presentation's objectives. Many presentations happen where that presenter tries to fill in the time given to them rather focus on the effectiveness of the message passed to the audience. Good presenters show the ability to get their message across in less time because they respect to time, focus on the message and use the most effective techniques to communicate. Presenting information clearly and effectively is a key skill to get your message or opinion across to the audience. An effective presentation is not important only for the individuals who give presentations regularly, but even if one does not need to make regular presentation. Everyone will come across situations where good presentations and public speaking skills can help advance one's career and create opportunities. Many people feel terrified when asked to make their first public talk or presentation, but these initial fears can be reduced by good preparation, which will also lay the groundwork for making an effective presentation. Effective presentation skills training within team. With effective presentation skills, you can always ensure you communicate the right things to your team members. This will help in avoiding miscommunication and increase effectiveness and efficiency within the time. This this also reduces the stress that exists among the teams to perform better. With better presentation skills, you know how to convey your things at the estimated time. An excellent presenter will always communicate important things in less time, making up for time management. If you have prepared your presentation well ahead of the hour, you will not face any difficulty presenting. In fact, you would complete it before the set duration, making it easy and representative for the audience. Good presentation skills make you feel better leaders by helping your voice inspiring messages across to your audience. A good presenter is one who can motivate and charm the audience with a clear and crisp message. So this is presentation skills. Thanks, students.